Pomegranates are packed with nutrients and antioxidants, which can provide several health benefits. Here are some potential benefits of consuming pomegranates. Rich in antioxidants. Pomegranates are a great source of antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. May improve heart health. Pomegranates may help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. They may also improve blood flow and prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. May reduce inflammation. Pomegranates contain anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. This may be helpful for people with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. May improve memory. Pomegranates may improve memory and cognitive function, especially in older adults. Some studies suggest that they may help prevent Alzheimer's disease. May boost immune system. Pomegranates contain vitamin C and other nutrients that can help boost the immune system and protect against infections. May have anti-cancer properties. Pomegranates contain compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. They may help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. Overall, incorporating pomegranates into your diet may provide several health benefits. They can be eaten on their own, added to salads or smoothies, or used to make juice. However, it's important to note that while pomegranates are generally safe for most people, they may interact with certain medications, so it's best to speak with your healthcare provider before adding them to your diet.